Hey guys, welcome to another diecast takeover video. This episode we have 3 mainline Hot Wheels cars to unbox today. The world famous Toyota AE86 Sprinter Terreno, the 1986 Monte Carlo SS, and the Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo. Both these cars are pretty world famous, so not much to introduction, especially this Toyota AE86. Let's have a quick look at this guy. I was pretty excited to grab this guy. I do wish I could get it in the more famous, what it's known for from the animated series Initial D, which would have its livery of being white on top, black on the bottom, with like a Japanese script on it. But this one's pretty cool. It's the Falcon's drift livery on it. It's pretty cool. I actually really like the wheels on it. They look really cool on this car. It definitely looks super low to the ground, which I really like. I'm gonna have to do some detail work on it, which is gonna be exciting. Probably gonna try to have that toward the end of the video. I'm gonna do a little bit on the headlights. Maybe do the tail lights or the fog lights. Tail lights. I'm probably gonna have to do this black. I'm gonna do that a different day. Very cool. Okay, let's check out this Monte Carlo. Very cool. See, I actually really appreciate that the headlights on this are black already. Probably gonna do something with the grille, I'm guessing. Very cool little script on it. It says Monte Carlo SS on it. Very, very cool. It's gonna look really nice. And let's look at the 300ZX. Now, I think I already have this car in red, but I saw it in this blue, and it really stood out to me, so I had to get it. Such a cool, aerodynamic looking car. Really, actually, really like these cars. Alright. Let's get started. I'm going to start with the 86. Let's carve this boy open. So the 86 has a 1.6 liter engine, making about 128 horsepower. Nothing too big, but it gets the job done. I'm a little tricky here. Alright. Wow. So glad to actually be holding this car. I love these wheels. Interesting. Windows, man. Yeah. Let's see. Left hand drive. Right hand drive. Such a cool little car. Swinging around. I'm definitely gonna have to make a little animated video, stop motion video of this thing drifting around. It looks really cool though. I'm already very much satisfied. Let's get this Monte Carlo open. Muscle Mania. This Monte Carlo gives me vibes from a song that I like, a certain Yellow Wolf song, where he mentions a Monte Carlo. Might just have to cue that in some part in this video. Wow, look at that. Oh, I love the tinted windshield. That is cool. Probably gonna do a little detail work on this tail end, kind of bring it to life a little bit. Front end looks pretty good. Enough at least. Wow, look at that. I do kind of wish this had the same size wheels, front and back. Kind of like 86 does. As you can see, the proportions of those wheels are huge. So, maybe it's more. But let's get on to the next one. .300ZX, unsurprisingly, is making around 300 horsepower with its twin turbo setup. Nothing too surprising there. Let's have a look at this. Yes, look at that. Such a sleek, aerodynamic looking car. And my favorite part, these taillights. How cool is that? Very 90s looking. I don't know, kind of looking at it, looks kind of like a Corrado. That's what that one car is called. With this side angle, just how it kind of dips up. Very cool. Let's have these Japanese cars side by side. Yeah, definitely got to fill this in. Maybe we'll get started on that. Grab my pens. And while I'm at it, I'm going to cut these cards real quick. Show you all what I do. Alrighty. Alright guys, that's going to conclude this video. I'm going to end it here. I'm probably going to queue up a little video of this lovely little 86 drifting around a little course that I set up. That might be in its own standalone video. I will probably make more content with this guy right here. And possibly this guy right here. If you want to see this video, check out my other unboxing video of the what is that thing called? Power Trip, from the Power Trip collection. I got 2 cars from that, this guy and a Dodge Demon, so go ahead and check out that video. I'm liking these guys right here. That boxy traditional look of Americana. Very neat. Alright guys, like I said, that's going to conclude today's episode. Thanks for stopping by. You guys have a great rest of your day. Diecast Takeover out.